The shocking truth about living in the United States. Millions dream about moving to America, but the reality often surprises them. From massive opportunities and breathtaking landscapes to hidden challenges that can catch newcomers off guard. Life in the United States is rarely what people expect. Some discover freedoms they never imagined. Others find obstacles they never saw coming. Before packing your bags, there are truths you need to know. Stay with us as we explore the shocking truth about living in the United States, including the number one reality that surprises countless people every year. Opportunity is everywhere. One of the biggest surprises about living in the United States is how many opportunities exist across different industries and regions. America has one of the world's largest economies, and opportunities can be found in technology, healthcare, construction, education, entertainment, and countless other fields. Drive through cities like Houston, Phoenix, or Nashville, and you'll see cranes, new developments, and expanding businesses. Many people move to the United States because they believe hard work can still open doors, and for many, that proves true. The pace can feel exciting and motivating, but opportunity is only one part of the story. The country is far bigger than you think. Many people underestimate the sheer size of the United States. Driving from New York to Los Angeles takes roughly the same amount of time as crossing several European countries. The landscapes change dramatically. One day, you might be surrounded by Florida palm trees. Another day, you could be staring at snow-covered mountains in Colorado or deserts in Arizona. This enormous size creates incredible variety. Different regions often feel like entirely different countries with their own lifestyles, accents, food, and traditions. That variety makes life interesting, but it also creates some unexpected challenges. Consumer choice is almost endless. Few places offer the level of choice found in the United States. Walk into a large supermarket and you'll find dozens of brands for a single product. Whether it's breakfast cereal, coffee, shoes, electronics, or vehicles, consumers often have an enormous number of options. Shopping centers, online stores, restaurants, and services compete aggressively for customers. This competition often leads to convenience and innovation. For many newcomers, the abundance feels exciting at first. Yet having so many choices can sometimes feel overwhelming. And that leads us to another surprising reality. Convenience becomes a way of life. America is built around convenience. Drive-through pharmacies, grocery pickup services, food delivery apps, 24-hour stores in some areas, and same-day deliveries make daily life incredibly efficient. In many communities, errands that might take half a day elsewhere can be completed in less than an hour. Technology is integrated into everyday life in ways that simplify countless routine tasks. This convenience is one reason many people enjoy living in the country. But convenience also shapes how communities are built. And that brings us to one of the most fascinating realities in the shocking truth about living in the United States. Natural beauty is often underrated. Many people think of skyscrapers when they picture America. What they don't always realize is how much natural beauty exists across the country. The United States is home to deserts, forests, beaches, mountains, lakes, rivers, and some of the world's most famous national parks. Imagine standing beside towering red rock formations in Utah, watching waves crash along the coast of Maine, or driving through the mountains of Montana as the sun sets behind distant peaks. The variety is remarkable and gives residents endless opportunities to explore. Yet even with all these advantages, living in America comes with significant trade-offs. The cost of living can be a shock. One of the biggest surprises for newcomers is how expensive life can be. Housing costs in major cities can consume a large portion of monthly income. Rent, utilities, transportation, groceries, and other everyday expenses often add up quickly. A modern apartment in a popular city may cost far more than many people expect before arriving. Even smaller cities have experienced rising costs in recent years. While incomes can be higher than in some countries, expenses frequently rise alongside them, and the financial surprises don't stop there. Owning a car often feels essential. Many visitors imagine they can rely entirely on public transportation. In some major cities, that works well. In much of the country, however, owning a vehicle becomes almost necessary. Large suburban communities are designed around driving. Workplaces, schools, shopping centres, and recreational facilities may be located miles apart. A typical morning might involve long stretches of highway traffic, large parking lots, and daily commutes that take considerable time. For people accustomed to walking everywhere, this adjustment can be one of the most surprising aspects of American life. And that leads directly into another challenge. Work-life balance can be difficult. America has a reputation for productivity, but that can come with pressure. Many workers pursue promotions, side businesses, additional certifications, or overtime opportunities. Ambition is often celebrated, and professional success can become a major focus. In busy metropolitan areas, it's common to see crowded trains, packed highways, and coffee shops filled with people working before sunrise. Some thrive in this environment, others find the pace exhausting. The pressure to keep moving forward can sometimes make it difficult to slow down and relax. But there is another reality many people notice almost immediately. Social connections can take time. Despite the friendly reputation many Americans have, building deep friendships can sometimes take longer than newcomers expect. People often move frequently for education, careers, or family reasons. Communities can be highly mobile, meaning neighbours may not stay in one place for decades. You might meet dozens of friendly people, exchange pleasant conversations, and still need time to develop close relationships. For those arriving from cultures with tight-knit communities, this adjustment can feel surprising. Yet the final truth may be the most important of all. The reality depends entirely on where you live. Perhaps the biggest shock about living in the United States is that there is no single American experience. Life in a small Midwestern town feels very different from life in New York City. Coastal communities differ from mountain towns. Southern cities differ from northern cities. Climate, cost of living, culture, transportation, and daily routines vary enormously. Two people living in different parts of the country may describe completely different realities, and both can be accurate. This is the number one lesson hidden inside the shocking truth about living in the United States. The country is so vast and diverse that broad generalizations rarely tell the whole story. Your experience may depend on your career, lifestyle, budget, goals, and the specific community you choose to call home. The United States offers remarkable opportunities, incredible landscapes, and unmatched variety. But it also comes with real challenges. That balance is what makes the shocking truth about living in the United States so fascinating. Every experience is different, and that's exactly what keeps people talking. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.